Here we are re-chipping the honeyberries. So the first thing we do is we put down some Weed Guard Plus. It's a planter's paper. And we get the heavier weight version of it. And then we put some aged wood chips on it. We use pine wood chips, and these are aged 2 years. So we'll put down next to the honeyberries first, and then we'll chip right on, put new chips right on top of the old chips there. We won't put any Weed Guard down on top of the old chips. We'll just do it right here where there was some grass. We'll have to finish chipping these another day, but this is how we do it. We put the Weed Guard down, the planter's paper, and then we cover it with chips. Cardboard will give the same effect, probably better in the sense that it's thicker, it'll last longer. We like the Weed Guard Plus planter's paper because it's easier to store, it's easier to cut and shape the way you need it, but cardboard would work as well. The Weed Guard Plus is Organic Materials Review Institute approved, so that's a plus for those of you that are organic or trying to be as organic as possible. Thanks for watching.